Dear students, I am Dr. S. Sampath, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Commerce, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Cuddalore. In this video, I am going to explain about the accounting standards. First, I explain the meaning of accounting standard. All the companies, they used to prepare their financial statement. Generally, profit and loss account, balance sheet, fund flow, cash flow, and last one, statement of changes in equity. These are the four accounting statements normally the company used to prepare in each year. Here, accounting standard means it's a common set of principles, a common set of procedures, and a common set of policies that should be adopted by the companies at the time of preparation of their financial statement. So accounting standard means a set of procedure that should be followed by all the companies in their financial statement. Next, I'm going to explain the objectives of accounting standards. Why that accounting standard created? In India, ICAI is the authority to create or to formulate the accounting standard in India. So what the objective or what the aim of the accounting standard that ICAI creating the accounting standard? First one, to provide a set of standard accounting policies. If there is no accounting standard, for example, company A may follow one accounting policy, company B may follow another accounting policy, and company C may follow another accounting policy. So each company, they may follow different accounting standard. It may create some confusion among the regulators. So for example, the government of India, so at the time of tax calculation, if each company follow different accounting standards, there is no uniformity in the policies. So that's why that ICA involved in that matter, and then they created a common set of policies and rules and regulations that should be followed by the companies at the time of preparation of their financial statement. Second one, to provide useful financial information to all the stakeholders. So at the time of preparation of financial statement, and the financial statements are prepared by all the companies according to the norms or standard prescribed by the ICAI. So it gives the adequate or more information to all the stakeholders like investors, government, and other stakeholders. What are the necessary information they need? They clearly be able to understand from the financial statement, because the financial statements are clearly prepared as per the norms prescribed by the ICAI. Third one, to enhance the quality of the financial reporting. If the financial reportings are prepared by as per the accounting standard, then it should be comparable. If you see the balance sheet, in the balance sheet they are clearly given previous year. In the amount column they are given previous year assessment year or previous year current year. Why they are given previous year current year? The financial statement or financial information given in the financial statement, that should be comparable. The user of the financial statement, they should compare the actual performance of the company by comparing with the previous year performance. Compare with the previous year whether the company get any improvement in this year or not in terms of profit, in terms of other segment, so whether the company getting any improvement. So that should be comparable by comparing the previous year performance. So if the accounting standard prescribed some format in the preparation of balance sheet, so if the balance sheet is prepared by as per the accounting standard, it improves the comparability and it improves the quality of the financial reporting. Fourth one, to ensure the disclosure of accounting policy. In all the financial statement, balance sheet or profit and loss account, as per the if the financial statement prepared as per the accounting standard, it clearly given in the disclosure, they clearly given what accounting policies they have adopted in their financial statement. They clearly given. So it may be useful to the investor or the company or the corporate or the government what kind of accounting policies they have adopted in their financial statement. And then to reduce the or eliminate the possible accounting alternatives. That ICAI, at the time of creating accounting standard itself, they created some alternative policy A, policy B, and policy C. Like that, they used to create some alternative accounting policies. So based on the company need or based on the company requirement, they can among the alternative, the company follow any alternative, but they should mention in their financial statement what policies they are adopted in the financial statement. That should be clearly mentioned. These are the accounting standard in India. At present, there are 29 accounting standard in India. According to ICAI, at present, there are 29 accounting standard in India. Third one, this is the procedure or steps or the formulation of the accounting standard. Now I am going to clearly explain how that ICAI in India is creating the accounting standard. The first step, identification of the area of formulation of the accounting standard. In India, ICAI, they have a separate board, ASB, called Accounting Standard Board. They have an accounting separate board that is called the Accounting Standard Board. That board consists of members from industry, members from academic, members from the government. So there is some team that is called Accounting Standard Board. That Accounting Standard Board, it will create a necessary step to formulation of the accounting standard. So at the time of formulation, what kind of steps they used to follow? First, they identify the area of the formulation of the accounting standard. It means in what area the accounting standard should be created, or otherwise, if there is any changes, in the existing accounting policy, that's also they may identify. So the first step, identification of area of formulation of accounting standard. For an example, if you take nowadays, all the business transactions are happening through the digital mode. So due to the technological advancement, due to the digital transaction, for example, if the accounting, that ICAI, they want to create any accounting standard to control over this kind of digital transaction, then they may create some new accounting standard. So the first step, they create what area to be covered. And then second one, constitution of study group. It means they formulate the group, they formulate the board, or they formulate the group of members. The group of members means the expert. The expert means from the government side, from the industry side, some of the chartered accounting, some of the academicians, some of the financial experts. So they constitute some members. Based on the members, they constitute a group. That group will take a necessary action in the formulation of the accounting standard. Third one, preparation of draft and its circulation. After formation of the group, what will do now? That the group, it create a draft accounting standard. So they will, in the group, they will have a meeting, and the meeting they clearly discuss what are the area to be covered, what are the accounting policies should be created, what are the accounting standards should be created. They clearly discuss in the meeting, and then based on that meeting, they used to prepare the draft accounting standard. And then this draft accounting standard should be circulated to all the people, and then it also uploaded in the website, the ICAI website. The drafted accounting standard should also published in the, it also posted in that ICAI website. And then for next one, the collection or assignment of views of different bodies. Once the rough draft of accounting standard created, and then it may go for the circulation. In the circulation, all the expert team, for example, government side, from auditor side, from the investor point of view, all the person, they may deposit their view relating to the new accounting standard. So after getting the new accounting standard, then the accounting standard group, the ASB, that study group, finalize. After getting the view from all the person, then they can go for the finalization of the draft. Because if there is any changes, what are the changes they need, and what are the suggestions they are given by from the expert. So based on the suggestion or based on the opinion from all the person, then they can go for the finalizing the accounting standard, finalize the draft. And then after finalizing, then they can go for the public comment. Public comment, they will host it, they may publish for getting the public comments related to the new accounting standard. So once the finalized accounting standard is prepared, the exposed draft is prepared, then it may move to the public comment. Then invite the public comment related to the new accounting standard. And then if they need any modification in the draft, then that accounting standard board, the study group creates a modification. If there is no modification need, then they may finalize. So after taking all these steps, then only that ICAI issuing the accounting standard that should be applicable for all the companies. Thank you.